the Nifty was down 340 points, and that's mainly because of two sectors, IT and autos. IT in particular, Infosys was down 4%. There was big decline in names like TCS, Wipro, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, all of them. And of course, the consumption names, actually not just autos, but Tata Consumer was down 5%, Hero MotoCorp was down 4%, Mahindra was down quite a bit, Tata Motors, Nestle, all these stocks down quite a bit. In fact, there were so many stocks down over 3% in Nifty today. Very rarely we have seen that. 16 Nifty stocks were down over 3%. And of course, there were others like Reliance, which was down 2.5%. HDFC was down 2%. So many Tata Steel, Bajaj Finance, so many stocks down. IndusInd Bank was one of the notable gainers, 52-week high on IndusInd Bank. But Prashant, the broader market, there was a bit of a collapse today.
Market breadth was, 4:1, more than that actually, in favor of declines. So, yeah, I mean, there was a fair bit of pressure. But market breadth and broader markets last few days, even when the market was, making these comebacks from the day's low, it wasn't participating, in a very big way or anything. Advanced decline was mostly 1:1 or even in favor of declines. So let me just quickly run through a few names. Vedanta was down 8%. That was a big one with volumes which sold off. There's LG Equipment, which comes up right at the top of the list in terms of volumes, down 7%. MRF sold off about 8%, giving back some of those gains we saw yesterday. Schaeffler India was down about 8%. DLF was down 6% in trade. Balkrishna Industries, Astral, both 6% cuts. There was Indiabulls Real Estate, which was down 6%. All Cargo was down about 6%. JK Paper lost 6.5%. There was Timken India, which was down 8%. Vaibhav Global was down 7.5%. And what else? I mean, Equitas, Kansai, Nerolac, Hudco, Imami. I can go down the list, and lots of action as far as names which were down and out. In the broader space, I mean, I would be remiss if I don't mention a few names which were higher because they were. I mean, Bharat Dynamics, for example, 7% higher, 929, big volumes on that one. Mazgaon Dock, I mean, so defense, Mazgaon was up 3.33% higher. So one is Bharat Dynamics, BDL, and the other is Mazgaon Dock. The prices will come up. Ease My Trip was up 6% by close, 416 on Ease My Trip. Karur Vysya was up 7%. So these smaller banks, old private sector banks, have been doing well. Sumitomo Chemical, 7% higher. There was Star Health, which was up 3%. Thermax was up about 4% or so. McLeod Russell, out of the blue, 20%. Limit up. Saxoft, Wonderla were some of the other names which looked up. But all in all, I mean, far more losers as compared to gainers. And, I mean, global market pressure finally taking some sheen off the price action that we had.